You're a victim.
To develop the romance with another man.
Who have?
Yeah, boy. Even back in the days, back in the days, bro, Hope still ain't loyal. Yeah. He locked his wife in a room at the older part of their house. See, bring back these old days, bro.
Hey, there's a random priest out here. But he looked like he was with Jesus. You guys got the same hair.
You, dummy.
Hey bro, you with that fit would go crazy.
Imagine me back in the days. Back in the days, for the cheating, feed it to the horses.
Horses don't eat meat.
You eat meat. So if you want to use our church for your wedding, first you need to find your forever. Okay? No, just kidding, sir. You can use our church.
Walang
okay?
forever.
Walang forever. Okay? Alright, so once again po, that's our sanctuario. So it's a peephole or peeping hole. So the owner, they're going to peep through this hole. And then from here, they clearly see who's knocking on the door. So it's a peephole.
Hey Jan,
Yes, sir.
this one doesn't make that much noise.
It's easy to cheat.
Ooh, that one. I want that one. Who's that?
Hey,
I want that one.
Don Juan.
Don't know.
Don Juan the third of Binabanga.
This is not the creepiest house. Look at it. It's not a restaurant. It used to be an old house. Hey, so this is where I grew up. That's my Lola right there. My uncle lives over there.
What?
This is like the neighbors. That's my house over there. Yeah, cool house, huh? But you know, some light. Yeah, I remember when I was a little kid, I used to like come out the street, you know, and play with my friends.
Casa Bizantina po, so this is our premier hotel. So if you want to rent the house, it only costs 169,000 pesos per night po. Okay? That's it. That's it. Yes. So by the way po, all the mosaic that you can see inside this resort, all of them was made by the local women here in Bagak, Bataan. Because women, they have more patience than men.
Women have more patience than men, apparently. I don't know about that. Me personally, I don't know about that.
Okay, or the sinking boat.
The sinking boat?
Yes. So this is the boat.
Why are they all naked?
Yeah,
We gotta ask the painter.
Fiberglass in that.
Can we touch it?
But yes, sir. So you can call the underword, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
So later, as we enter the house, we will see a narrow pathway encircled at the side part of that house. So that narrow pathway, it's called bulada. And then that bulada po, actually it's a passage for one of our servants po before. Do you still remember our two kinds of servants or dalawang uri ng alipin?
Yeah, hey look, do you know?
First po is aliping sagigilid or the side servant, and aliping namamahay, the in-house servant. So aliping sagigilid or the side servant, so they are the ones who use the bulada. Because literally, they are at the side parts of the house. They cannot enter the house and serve face to face to their master. Group, I would like to inform everyone that we are only
We're not allowed to be inside with the slaves.
here. So these were
Are either inside slaves or outside slaves? So I can't enter
So
the
they're
house.
only allowed
He
to
can.
stay here at the
I can't.
Okay, it will play alone during And then for the pictures po, before, you will notice they are not smiling. Because before, if you smile, meaning you are flirting with someone. So that's why our ladies po before, if they smile, they cover with the fan, like Maria Clara. Okay? So that's the reason why they are not smiling in the picture. Okay? Alright, and yes. Okay, and the flat iron. Okay, put it here, and then another one here po. This thing po, it was placed near the window or at the wall. One here, and then they're going to hold for their balance, and they're going to swing like this.
Ah, that's a TikTok dance.
Yes. So, whoa. Yeah. So the two holes inside. So that's our old toilet bowl. Okay. So when you're going to use it, you're going to squat. Why do you think it has two holes?
For the poop and the...
One for pee, one for poo. Could be.
Holding hands with your friends.
Yeah. Actually, sir, you are right.
He's got two holes in the toilet so you and the homies can hold hands.
It's like this.
You hold hands like this with your friends.
For the two holes.
My name is Luis Alfredo, your tour guide, and this is our Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, our pride in the past and hope for the future. Yeah. So thank you so much po. I hope you enjoyed our tour. So thank you so much.
Wala ba kayo mga kamay?
Yeah, alright.
Wala ba kayo mga kamay? Yo, welcome to Grandma's house. As you can see, this is the guest house, but make sure you take your shoes off, because Grandma gets mad sometimes if you don't take your shoes off. Those are some of my family members. They did sculptures. Some light, you know? Yeah, everything's pretty intricately done, but she had to rush them. She was like, "I need this done." Look, even the ceiling. Only Grandma, you know. You know Grandma, Lola. Used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this.
Ready? Slam! Poetry! Angry! Yelling!
Moving my hands around. Cynthia. Jesus died for our Cynthia. Dead. She's dead. Yeah, bro, this used to be my little playroom.
Little playroom.
I have another one like on the other side of the house, but yeah. I used to keep my little Legos in here. I don't know if it's enough space though.
His victims, eh?
Yeah. Like each door just has a victim. Look, door 1, door 2, victim, victim, victim. You're a victim. Take a blink, Jen.
What was that? You're a sick dog.
Should we play some NBA Youngboy? Do you reckon? Do you reckon? That's the first time they've ever heard in these walls some NBA Youngboy.
Play the song.
Put it back?
Do you think it's the first time they've ever played this in this? Won't be the last time though. Am I right? It's gonna be full of people.
You don't like Red Horse, too?
I don't like it after a mouthful of mints.
What about a mouthful of dick?
Mouthful of precious.
Yeah, sometimes I have parties here, but Grandma gets kind of, you know, because it's her house. You see the stairs yet? Gold. They're gold. Look, come, I'll show you. MTV, welcome to my crib. Gold. Look around you. Don't film the guests. Life of a jeepney driver, huh? Saan po?
Sa La Union po, sa
Okay.
may kanto. Salamat po.
Yeah, tara.
Yippee! So, 10 pesos.
Kaya, kumbayan. Hey, watch. Oh, this boss. Everyone good? All right. Ay, mahal. Para po. Doing it. Yeah, so this is the church I'm gonna get married at. So whoever out there wants to get married, you know, with a good man, like I own the church, but if you want to see it, come have a look. Those are my two workers over there. Hey gang.
Hey, gangy.
How's the experience?
It was amazing, actually. I enjoyed it. Like all the houses and stuff. If you go to like deep in the province, you'll see a lot of it still standing.
How come your relationship isn't standing anymore?
It's a great question. I've been cheating though.
How do you feel about the experience?
That was a great experience learning about all the sick buildings and stuff, running on the gondola in the river and stuff, and chilling with two cute Filipino men.
Damn.
That are tall and handsome.
You're a victim.